Hi, I'm Kat from Crazy Cabbage, and in this video I'll be showing you how to do surface slip stitch. This is part of my elephant sun hat pattern. I also have a video on how to make these elephants, as well as a free written pattern on my blog. I'll leave a link for that in the info below. Anyway, let's get started. So find where you want to start. I'm going to just insert my hook here, and yarn has to come up from the back, so just going to insert it inside the hat there, and then just use your hook. Try and find your yarn. It is quite tricky, and just pull it through. Then insert your hook into the next hole. And then just hook up a loop of your yarn again and bring it through that loop there. Hook into the next one. Just bring it through. It is difficult to get the hang of it and get it started. I only recently learned how to do this. So yeah, you just keep going into one stitch at a time and pulling it through. If you were doing something else and you want to change direction, you can just put it in each row at a time to make stitches. It's good for creating lettering and designs on top of finished pieces. So I found that my stitching was too tight because I have a bad habit of working too tightly. So I found my tension ring, pop that on there, and it just stretches this fabric out. I also actually found it easier because then it kind of holds it for you. So yeah, you might want to use one of these too and make things a little easier. So I've almost finished my round here. I'm just going to make one more stitch in this last one here. And then I'm going to leave this one empty, and I'm going to just cut my yarn. And then just pull your end through like that. And we're going to thread it on this needle. So I'm just going to finish off the same way that you do an invisible finish. So just find that first stitch, thread it under there, and then in this last stitch, it's going to go under that top loop there, and then just thread it into through to the back. And then just pull it to tighten, and then it's all neat and you can't see where the join is. And then I'm just going to tie the starting end and the finishing end. I'm just going to tie a knot in them because I want them secure in that. And then I'm just going to weave in the ends. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!